Hi, I'm Rena from Rena.ca, and this is How to Clean Tapestry. Tapestry is so beautiful and often tells a story, so we want to take really good care of our tapestry. One thing that I like to do is put the upholstery attachment onto my vacuum, and then for once in a while cleaning, from the top to the bottom, draw my attachment down very gently, being careful that I don't wreck the fabric. Another thing that you want to do is if you have any areas that have stains, you can use glycerin and a washcloth to get rid of those small stains. Glycerin can be found in pharmacy departments of grocery stores. Pour a small amount onto a cloth and dab the area very gently. Sometimes we want to clean our tapestry more thoroughly. You would never put your tapestry into a washing machine or a dryer. You either dry clean it or hand wash it using shampoo and water. You only need a small amount of shampoo. Put the tapestry into some water and swish it around. Then rinse it and hang it to dry. At the bottom of the tapestry, you want to put a rod inside, like I've done, or some kind of weight like clothespin. This will flatten the tapestry and make sure that it doesn't wrinkle as it dries. And that's how you clean tapestry. I'm Rena from Rena.ca.